I'm telling you again that the Lord told me, the Honorable Kennedy Ohini Agyapong will become the flag bearer of NPP after their primaries. I'm telling you again that the Lord told me, the Honorable Kennedy Ohini Agyapong will become the flag bearer of NPP.
Ebusia Prophet Bernard Akasa Ediafa NPP primaries no after so di kan ebeda primaries ne ebekọ so edi ya wo kire say Honorable Ken Akomprekun Agyapong wono ene ebedi mu enkunim ma Ghanafo etwe wo ma no e wo papa isu ye pa dodo na kwa na omo ya leje say we de enye konye no eyesika bi na afa ne nsase no nti ene oba bonten abehye sankom no Paul Adomo Treton safre no e wo Metro TV ne twetwem komo bisa ne sefo pani. Your credibility is at stake. It is a NPP primacy. Wobokoye na ne wo kanu amemu a eden ne efa ne wo se ne nyame akanu enoa na wakabusu enye wono kwa seme no e kasa de Jana Chuks enso e de nsem bi abeto monten a ne nyina enam NPP primacy ono kwa de wakomu into details a wo se Alan Kwadwoche manten lusa wo lusu ye no subo bi wo ho a wo fa nkobɔ ne refi se nam na yere so ene ma asa lusu no ebaaye too much GH and when you saw she message so when me subscribe button so now the bell na can say be na upload me to when the first person ya wonsa ebedi kan akebumsia se e body ewura ensem no mu a ye nyina any NPP fu ne titiru na any hwekwan se on the 31st of January 2026 obekwa koye primaries na fe ye hu bebia so swan wode bode hono befa se eye Dr. Muhammad Bawumia na efa Honorable Ken na efa anase ye papa Educhum Brian omo na efa na se die keka ho ni bi na ebetimi afa abana se eno emma aso die na edodo na so na etwagu e wo party nim heater ekoso ayampe ayeto edema ne ye ho na nipa ba ko e ka me se asofo asrai ne soko e wo NPP amunyo community to ne primacy mu e Honorable Ken Akomprekun Agyapong last week na Prophet Nigel e be chere se Honorable ono wo ye antichrist se yeso asa ko pe antichrist ne bra na se wo hia Honorable Asanwachi if you say antichrist na and we share it remember NPP for mo humusuo enkofa na mbenya sa lomukọ general election na lose on be lose no 2024 kra emfa no ho na yesu enim se Honorable Ken Akomprekun Agyapong ye na adwene se wo bekọ primary si ene inkomhye dodo na atwegu ede afa no ne titiru ene Prophet Bernard inkomhye wo behye ya wo kire ono kwade wo kire ho book nyina ede man na after sesa prophecies no eba monte so no Ghana fo twa na no yie pa ama sister Fiatras ne kakra aba bonte be ka se ne Prophet Bernard kan no kure bia enim na nyame no ne business a wo no edoso dodo se odi politics be ka ho a wonye obia ehun se mo enka fancho se Honorable Ken Akomprekun Agyapong na wo be ka no ho ensema choko be ne sa na sister Fia kire se Prophet Bernard the prophecies na wo de em no eye questionable se me no e ka se Prophet Bernard assign the response aba monten so a wo kire se ne wono ohu ye no ono nkwa ne hu ye wono ena nyame eyi kire ne ne nyame aka no eno na waka oda so gina ne naso e ka se NPP fu nyina pa wo nyina ka mo humbum omo nkwa so aba no mo fama Dr. Muhammad Bawumia na wono akasa enkenkan won kenkan wie no na Honorable Ken Akomprekun wo hina Agyapong wono ena ababa flag bearer edema NPP amonyeko na hwe ni ho abetimi asesa sa enkomhye na nya ono kwa Jana Chuksu eye sunsum ni pa kase pa ono so e ba sunsum nsemu de a enye wuntimi ensan ho no so babo te be kire se abana wo mo ekwa akoto no eye Honorable Ken Akomprekun Agyapong ena ebedimu enkunim na dodo na kire se ne kasa bi a wo kan ne suben bi a wo da ne de no ensem fata wo se ho e de na Trump wa ma me na so Trump e ba ye wo lusi ye kwa wasan abadie mu a e bra so se Ghana ha ye pia wo nipa obetimi ahwe ne party enim te se NPP akwa no kre e de atrom te se you obisade a na eye Honorable Ken Akomprekun Agyapong ena NPP fo ebeto abana mana sunsun from there ya establish bibia entimi ensesa no e wo honama from wa ma no aso wa wakasa no ena wo kire se Alan Kwadwoche manten lusa wo lusi ye no se wo pesubo bi e de abo no de anye wo fa abo na yere fi se nam na yere nsa so ena Honorable Alan Kwadwoche manten elusu na ba no ebusia sei ena Jana Chuks ene Prophet Bernard e kan someone isify.
I'm telling you again that the Lord told me, the Honorable Kennedy Ohini Agyapong will become the flag bearer of NPP after their primaries. And Bible said, from that time, many of his disciples no longer walked with him. And Jesus Christ turned and looked at the 12 and said, will you also go? And they said, to whom shall we go? And they said, we know and we are sure. There is a realm of certainty in walking with God. There is a realm of certainty in walking with God. And one of the realms is the realms of the prophetic. I'm not talking about joking and saying thou says the Lord. I'm talking about God saying, and you are saying God is saying. And you are here going to fight people over what God have told me. Were you there when God told me? You were not there. So someone said he's a fake prophet. Why are you worried? Someone said he's not from God. Why are you worried? Someone said they have paid him, and why are you worried? And you are going to fight at this age, at this level of your life. The words of people affect you. The description that people give you affect you. You don't know who you are yet. Like I'm walking in town, somebody say, El Bernard, you are a girl, and I want to respond. Don't I know who I am? Someone say he's not from God, and he said I should respond. Someone say he has been paid. Were you there when they were paying me? Do you know how much they gave me? So you are not. Why are you going to fight the fight that you don't know anything about it? Everybody is speaking this truth. I'm telling you, I know that we are in a country that they don't respect men of God. That everybody can get up and say whatever. We are here. Are we not in Ghana? We are here. There are things you don't say. You leave it so that nobody can accuse you. There are things you leave it so nobody can accuse you. I'm telling you again that the Lord told me, the Honorable Kennedy Ohinin Agyapong will become the flag bearer of NPP after their primaries. Do you know the threat they gave me during the 2024 election? Ask them whether I ran. You are Ghanaian, I'm a Ghanaian, who should run? They brought their gun. Ask them whether I ran. I showed them who I am, if they should try. And you are looking at insult. It's you see, some people need to know. Some of you, I don't know what to serve. Me, I serve God. And my name is Bernard El Bernard. The only thing you can choose is to lie against me. The only thing you can choose to do is to lie. What are the lies you say I'm not from God? Because you yourself, you are not sure who you are from. You will say, oh, he has a lot of children. It is true. You will say he has a lot of girlfriends. You will say he has a lot of this. And you think that those things affect me. Oh, my brother.
Emotion something you and a yakwakuti in a mesre. Session or jeans and Missy Fire in Abuja comment. Our comment session hall Eddie Amayana enter set at the 1st January 2026 in Runidi and Seminole. Say ya near better for me as him was some war who you ever near the Ababa Sumo too much GH. And when you go she message of me as a scrub button, not the bone account. Sabena upload me to when the first person, ya won't say a bit kind. I can be all the social media platforms so go. Too much GH. Oh, subscribe no like no share. Now when you have been so any beashe dark gold. Enemy day, ye besensha.
Ye kon man makro ma ye nyiprebu okwanso. Wo la la. Odofo he de ne wo hawe de ne wo dadwen. Yare be na ye kwankwa wo de chenchecheche a wonya anu aduro. Ene na me kanfo Raboni Spiritual Research and Divine Medical Laboratory ediama. Eye Prophet Dr. Abedegu ene da no.
A wise man will hear and will increase knowledge, but the fools despise counsel.
Prophet Dr. Abednego ye odifo a eweye mremu awurade ayi no ama wiase se sunsum yare bia aye okwanko a Dr. Edikre wowo ene na me kanfo Prophet Dr. Abednego Invisible Teaching Hospital powered by Castoplanto Technology kai Prophet Dr. Abednego enye pray for me inti hwehwe Prophet Dr. Abednego akiri kwan wo insanwama do akiri Oreku Liberty House adase Fred Dr. Prophet Abednego 020-859-9576 na say 027-8977-215 introdo for kai se wo twi bibi wo so na semba na bibi krem